What's up, YouTube? I had this my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want update on my use of my Earthwies Weedeat I had about 2-3 months ago. And I'm going to give you an update on it. Man, I love it. It had a problem. It ran, like I charge up. It ran for a long time too. From the first I start Weedeat all the way to the ditch, it cut real good too. And thick grass too out the ditch where the water at too. Yep, and on down fence line too. So my next project gonna be I got me a Earthwies chainsaw and a pole too. So after I get through the box and everything and use it, I promise y'all I will give you an update on that part too. Have a nice, wonderful day. I hope you're gonna see me do a lot more videos. See y'all. Have a nice day. Bye.